Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the MZ WALLACE medium box tote. All right, so a couple of weeks, maybe like a week or so back, I shared my first impressions of this medium box tote and a couple of other items that I had received in an MZ WALLACE purchase. And today I want to concentrate solely on this box tote. I have it all packed up. I'm gonna put the camera down here in just a second, show you how I have it packed up, what fits inside, to give you guys a real idea of what this bag can hold. Before we do that, I thought I would just kind of quickly walk through this bag, put it on for you and kind of show you what it looks like, and then also hold up the large box tote so I can briefly compare the two of them. In my opinion, the large here and the medium are very, very different size-wise. I think a comparison, a closer comparison would be this medium box tote to the small box tote. I've never had the small box tote, so I don't know exactly what fits inside that one, but I feel like it might be closer capacity-wise to this medium than this large is, if that makes sense. Typically when I do comparison videos, I will take everything that I have packed up in one bag and I will pack it up in the other bag so that you guys can really see like capacity wise what the two bags will hold. I'm not gonna do that for this video because you can literally put this medium box tote inside the large. So obviously everything that fits inside this medium would easily fit inside the large and then some. So I don't think I'm gonna do the packing portion of it, but I'll kind of hold it up here a little bit closer and show you like size-wise how they compare. So as far as features of these two bags, they are exactly the same. The same pockets, the same strap, the same different ways that you can carry it. This medium here, you cannot use these grab handles at the top to put over your shoulder. It really truly only fits in like the crook of your arm here, whereas this large box tote, you could probably, I wouldn't carry it this way, honestly, but you could put it over your shoulder, like if you wanted to, but I would probably still use the shoulder or the crossbody strap to carry it either crossbody or over my shoulder and not really use the handle to go under my arm. But as you can see, it does fit. Whereas this one, I mean, there's no way I'm getting it past my elbow. As far as the large box tote and how that kind of looks a little bit on the body, I have the messenger strap here shortened so that I can just wear it here over my shoulder. And then obviously you can loosen the strap. I have it on the smallest setting right here. If you wanted to loosen it, you could easily wear this bag crossbody. It's actually a little low right now, but this is how the large one looks on the body. As far as the medium box tote, here is the carrying it kind of the same way. You have it here on the crook of my arm, and then you can use the strap here, which I have pretty much on the shortest setting, and I have it on my shoulder. You can kind of see how that looks. And then of course you can make it a little bit longer and do it here and wear it crossbody. There we go. It's obviously much smaller of a bag, but kind of gives you an idea on how it looks kind of on my frame. Here are the two of these side by side, so you can really see what I mean as far as the large being substantially larger than the medium. It could easily like fit inside here. Not that close of a comparison, but all of the features, all of the straps, all of that are exactly the same on the two of these bags. I will try to remember, I always say this and then I always forget when I go to edit, but I'll try to remember to put the large box tote review that I did up here in the cards or in the description box. If I don't, you can easily search it. Gator Mom large box tote MZ WALLACE or something like that, and I'm sure it would pop up. But I did a full review on the large box tote, so if you want to see that one packed up, you can head over to that video and check it out. Really briefly before I put the camera down and show you what I have packed inside, let's run through the features of this bag. You have two grab handles here at the top of the bag and they are trimmed in leather. The outside of the bag here, as well as the back of it, does not have any exterior pockets on the main part of the bag, but you do have two really small pockets here at the top. There's one here, as well as one over here on the bag. And when I put the camera down, you'll be able to see that much closer. And then looking down at the top of the bag, you have three zippers. You have one here, the main compartment of the bag, and then you have another zipper right here. As far as side pockets, you don't have any pockets or anything like that. And then the bottom of the bag does have a couple of leather feet to kind of keep it protected. The crossbody strap is removable. So if you know you just wanna kind of carry it by its grab handles and not have the strap like flopping around in the bag, you could easily take that off and just carry it simply like so. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down so I can show you what I have packed inside. All right, this here is what the bag looks like all packed up. Now I will say I have this bag packed really, really full. So obviously the less you pack in it, the more kind of squishy and soft it's going to be, just like all of the Metro bags. Let's go ahead and get into it. Right here, this front little tiny pocket, I just have my cell phone vertically in there. This is like a WALLACE case, so it kind of goes flat, which I like. So goes in here. I had it vertically. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think. Not like the newest one, but you guys get the idea. But it is the Max version. Fits no problem vertically inside that pocket. On the same back pocket here, I don't know if I have anything. I do not. I don't have anything in that back pocket. So looking down here at the top, you have two smaller zippers here, and then you have this zipper that goes all the way down to open up the main bulk of the bag. It does not go, it's not sewn on the sides here. So if you have a taller water bottle, if you have an umbrella, if you have something like that you do need to have a little bit taller of space, you have that option with this bag because you have tons of room kind of on both sides to make that happen. Back here in this back zipper pocket, I actually just have one pouch. I have all these items in a pouch just because they're smaller and it's easier. This is an MZ WALLACE small Metro pouch, I believe. It's in this really fun, I don't know what this print was called, like a beachy print. This was a gift with purchase, and then for a short time, it popped up on the website to purchase, and I grabbed it right away because I really wanted it. I loved it. I have a couple of different prints in the small Metro pouch. I think it's awesome. It just has this little kind of hook over here, and then inside I have all of my small, I have actually like a lot of trash in here too. Been using it in a minute, but Band-Aids. I have some like lip products that I really like, some medicine, Tide to Go pen, gum, all that kind of stuff. Just all my small like essentials tucked in here, and I like it in a pouch so I can just kind of stick it in there and then pull it out whenever I need to grab something. This front zipper pocket here is exactly the same as this back one, and in this one I do have just a bunch of loose items. I don't have them in pouches or anything like that, but as you can see, by just taking out even one item in the back here, like that pouch, the bag gets like super soft and like floppy. I absolutely love it. Inside here, I have my wallet that I'm using right now, and I just recently moved into this Dagny Dover accordion wallet. I've had this wallet in the past before, and it's always been one of my favorites. I grabbed this during their warehouse sale, and I moved right back into it, kind of immediate. It's the perfect size for a passport back here. You have one pocket, a little tiny kind of pocket, and then another one here in the front, just for receipts or obviously your passport or more cards or cash. And then in the front you have 3 different card slots on each side. So I love it. It's kind of magnetic closure here. And then in the back you also have one more pocket. One of my favorite things about it is it's really, really thin. So if I need to put it like in a slim pocket or just inside of a bag somewhere, it doesn't like stick out or bulk up. So one of my favorites. I'm happy to kind of be back in that. I also have a big hand cream down there. If you have a hand cream that you like, can you please put it down below in the comments, because I've been kind of searching for a new one, and this is one that I keep going back to, but I don't hate it, but I'm just like kind of looking for like a new one. So have that in there. I also have a hair clip. I have a pack of gum, tons of Post-its because I use these to like plan in my notebooks and planners and stuff. I have a couple more tags, planner, bookmark. Oh my gosh, what else is in here? I probably should put all this in a pouch. My hand sanitizer, I actually had this in that back pocket, but it ended up in that pocket. Pen, highlighter, oh my goodness, more pens. I have a whiteout stick. Okay, I think that might be it. Oh no, and random medicine. I told you I've been in this bag for a hot minute. So that's everything I have inside that front pocket there. All right, moving into the big bulk of the bag, I have a little hair clip on the zipper. When you open it up, it opens up nice and wide, especially when you don't have anything in these two front pockets. You obviously have tons of room on the inside here. I don't have anything in these small pockets on the inside or in the zipper pocket right there. I just have stuff kind of in pouches and whatnot, like packed that way. I don't have, not using those interior pockets. On the little key leash though, over here on the side, I do have just my house key and my car key just tucked down in there. I have the current book that I think I'm gonna start reading. I've started this one in the past and then I put it down to grab another one, and I just finished a really good one that I was reading. So this is one that I had on my bookshelf that I haven't read yet. So I think I really like this author, but so I think I might jump into this one. We'll see. I have a big like to be read stack of books that I want to buy, so I might jump to one of those or I might read this. I don't know. So anyways, that's what I have in there that I'm thinking about starting. I also have a Ken's Customs pouch. I think I've shown these in a previous video. I know I talked about them on Instagram. I love them. They're really good quality. I like this size a lot. You can customize them however you want with patches. They come in different colors. Some are clear, some are solid. There's tons of variety. I have a couple of different ones. And this one happens to be just one of my favorites that I haven't really been able to move out of. I have a small, is this a small or a medium? Yes, this is a small link pouch. And inside here, I just have my earbuds. These are made by the company called Studio. So I have those in there. And then everything else in here is just my Apple Pencil for my iPad, charger for my phone, for my iPad. I also have this portable, it's made by the company iWalk. Let's see if I can grab it here at the bottom. I love it. It is one of those on the go, like portable chargers that you just open up here and you can plug it in to your phone really easily. And then it will actually show you when you have it plugged in how much percentage battery is left on it. So I love it. We've been using that this summer. So that's what I have inside this pouch, like all my tech stuff. Now the only two things I have left in here are a notebook and a planner. As you guys probably know from watching other videos, I have been using this Erin Condren Priority Notes book for, oh my gosh, months now, since like the beginning of the year. It's just set up like this. You have notebook paper on one side and then you have these blocks on the other side. I was thinking about moving into either the Erin Condren monthly planner or back into this happy planner that I have. Just for like back to school time, I really needed like a monthly calendar spread to kind of keep everything in line. But to be honest, I just really like this Erin Condren notebook. So right now I'm carrying both because I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So there's that. I will probably be trying to figure out planner world here for the next month as we start back to school because it's just a little bit crazy. Oh, I have my glasses down here. I forgot about those. I desperately need a new eyeglass case. This one is big and bulky and half chewed and all the things. So I have those. I had them just sticking vertically over here on the side. So that is everything I have inside the bag here. Again, my keys are just attached to that little leash. I love this bag. The size is perfect and I highly recommend it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this MZ Wallace medium box tote size. I will have my affiliate link linked or pinned in the comments as well as down in the description box. I really appreciate it anytime you guys shop MZ Wallace or any of the other brands that I share. If you think of me and shop through those links, it really helps support my channel. But if you have any questions that I didn't answer, feel free to leave them down below or shoot me a message or however, I'm always happy to help. Until next time, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.